Oh, come on. That's not Italy.
That's so funny. So if you get a new Ferrari and it smells like cigarettes, you know what happened. Yeah. So thank you very much. It's really fun to be here, or be here and you're there. And how can I help you? Well, let's start off with the questions you have for me.
Yeah, so today we had an event about social media and small business.
Okay.
We are having some question about it, and just wanted to know your point of view about how social media is impacting small business.
Okay. That's kind of a general question.
Yeah, of course.
So, hi, nice to meet you, Guy. I'm Stefano Maggi. I've collected a few questions from people, and here in this room we're all big fans of Enchantment and the way it can create value through outstanding experiences between companies and people. But how do you think Enchantment can apply to small and medium businesses? What are the main points of leveraging Enchantment to build remarkable experience for small and medium businesses?
Well, the goal of Enchantment is to have this relationship with your customers that's deep, it's long-lasting, it's delightful, and it's also voluntary. And so the pillars of Enchantment are threefold. First, you need to be likable, you need to be trustworthy, and you need to have a great product or service. And that is true whether you're, two guys in a garage, or two guys in a restaurant, or two guys in a consultancy, or you are a Fortune 500 company. Some very good examples of likable, trustworthy, and enchanting companies, and I'm only familiar with US companies, is Apple, obviously, Zappos, and Amazon, Cisco fits that bill also. And I think that's the key, that all those companies are likable, trustworthy, and have high quality products. I have tried to enchant people with crap, and I have tried to enchant people with good stuff. Let me tell you, good stuff makes it a lot easier. So,